Hello everyone! Welcome to my community vlog. Today, I'll take you on a tour of Abaga, a peaceful and beautiful barangay in Libungan, Cotabato. Let's explore some of the most important places in our community. Our first stop is the Barangay Hall of Abaga. This is where our local leaders work hard to serve the people. Meetings, programs, and important community decisions happen here. It's a place that ensures the progress and development of our barangay. Second stop is the school, where it is a center of learning. Education is a priority in our community. Here is Abaga Elementary School, where young learners study and prepare for a brighter future. Teachers here dedicate their time to shaping young minds and providing quality education. Next stop is our small chapel, where it is a place of faith. This is our small chapel, a simple yet meaningful place where people gather to pray and strengthen their faith. It serves as a reminder of the strong spiritual values in our community. Our next stop is our hanging bridge. It is the unique landmark of Abaga. It connects different parts of the barangays and is used by residents every day. Crossing it gives you a great view of the surroundings, especially the beautiful river below. Our last stop is the rice fields, where it is the heart of agriculture. Agriculture is the main livelihood of many families here. Our rice fields stretch far and wide, providing food and income to our community. During harvest season, you can see farmers working hard to bring in their crops. And that's a quick tour of Abaga, Libungan, Cotabato. From our barangay hall, school, to the hanging bridge, rice fields, and small chapel, our community is full of life, culture, and hard-working people. And I hope you enjoyed exploring with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching!